Have you heard of Montessori but aren't quite sure what it means? In the next few minutes, we'll break down what Montessori is, how it works, and why it's so popular with parents and teachers. Montessori is a way of learning that puts the child at the center. Instead of everyone following the same lesson at the same time, each child learns at their own pace, based on their interests. It's hands-on, active, and built around real-life experiences, helping kids grow into confident and capable learners. In a Montessori space, everything is designed with the child in mind. Shelves are low, materials are organized, and activities are easy to reach. Children choose their own work, focus on it, and return it when they're done. There's an emphasis on order, beauty, and purpose in every activity, from pouring water to caring for plants. In Montessori, the adult is more of a guide than a traditional teacher. They observe, introduce new activities at the right moment, and then step back. This allows children to discover things for themselves, building focus, problem-solving skills, and self-confidence. Montessori works because it respects how children naturally learn. It builds independence, encourages curiosity, and helps kids develop life skills that last far beyond the classroom. Montessori isn't just a method, it's a way of thinking about learning. It trusts children to take charge of their own education, while giving them the tools and environment to thrive. If you'd like to learn more simple strategies for smart parenting, subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.